Hello everyone, starting with the new topic. Today's topic is ordinary differential equations 1. Now starting with the differential equation definition. An equation which contains derivatives of dependent variables with respect to independent variables is called a differential equation. Now before starting with the differential equation, we have to study what is order and degree of differential equation. Suppose this is a differential equation. Now it is of the order, the highest differential equation here is 3. So it is of the order 3. Now what is the power of this? It is 1. So the order of differential equation is 3 and degree of differential equation is 1. Now moving on to Leibniz linear differential equation. Any equation which is of the form dy by dx plus py equals to q is of the form linear differential equation or Leibniz linear differential equation. Now how to solve it? First of all, find what is p and q. Then apply the formula. Then we have to find what is the integrating factor. Integrating factor is equals to e integration p dx. We have to simply apply the formulas of integration here. Then applying the next formula, which is equals to y into integrating factor is equals to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. Now suppose a question, solve dy by dx minus y is equals to e to the power 3x. Here if we compare this equation with this equation, we will find that the value of p is equals to minus 1 and the value of q is equals to e to the power 3x. Now applying the formula, integrating factor is equals to e integration p dx, e integration minus 1 dx, putting the value of p, e will be remain as it is, minus sign will be taken as common and integration 1 dx. Now what is the integration of 1 with respect to dx? It is x and no constant will be added over here. So it is the integrating factor. Now applying the integrating factor in this formula, y into integrating factor is equals to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into integrating factor is this integration q. What is q? Q is e to the power 3x into integrating factor is e to the power minus x dx plus c. Now here it will remain as it is, e to the power 3x upon e to the power x plus c dx. After this, what we will do? It will become e to the power 3x minus x plus c.